If you love a Reuben sandwich, then stay tuned and see how I made these air fryer Reuben egg rolls. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am making air fryer Reuben egg rolls. If you love Reuben sandwiches, then you are going to love these egg rolls. They are crispy on the outside. They're stuffed with corned beef. They have sauerkraut, Swiss cheese, and a little bit of Thousand Island dressing. They are so delicious and so easy to make. So let me stop talking, we'll turn around and get started. Alrighty, so I have some Thousand Island dressing, corned beef brisket, egg roll wrappers, Swiss cheese I'm going to grate up, and I have some sauerkraut. Now, the sauerkraut needs to be drained really, really, really well. So I'm going to cook my corned beef tonight, and then I'm going to also put my sauerkraut in a colander and let it drain pretty much all day, and then we'll have everything ready, and then tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and make up our egg rolls. Alrighty, I am just squeezing this. Can you see all the water coming out? You do not want your egg rolls to be wet, so you have got to squeeze as much as possible out. And then when I'm done, I'm going to put it in a bowl with some napkins, or paper towels I should say, and just absorb more of the moisture than the liquid. Like I said, I'm doing this the day before, so it gives me plenty of time to get as much liquid and moisture out as possible, because you do not want soggy egg rolls. Alright, so I have a paper towel in here, and I'm just throwing that in there like that. I'm going to put another one right on top, and I'm going to put the rest of it in there. Just like that. Alrighty, so you saw that I have cooked my corned beef now, so that's all done. I shredded up about 1.5 cups of my Swiss cheese block. I have a cup of sauerkraut, and as I mentioned, you want to make sure that this is drained really, really well. I put a paper towel in there, put some in, and then another paper towel. Squeeze, 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 because if it's wet, you're going to have soggy egg rolls. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and cut up our beef. We want about a cup of beef. So let's go ahead and slice some up, because we're going to slice it up and then chop it really, really fine. Oh, it smells so good. As you can see, I'm slicing it pretty thin. So I'm gonna, whoops. Alrighty. Put this on my aluminum foil that I had covering it. And then we're gonna go ahead and slice this up even finer. Bring it down. There we go. And you can use one of those little chopper things from like Pampered Chef or whatever if you want. Let me go ahead and just quickly wash my hands. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and dump in my corned beef with my sauerkraut. Go. And then I'm going to add my cheese. Probably should have got a bigger bowl. Let's go ahead and mix this up real quick before we add in our Thousand Island. I'm going to get a bigger bowl so I have some room to mix. Alrighty. Go. Let's just go ahead and get those mixed up well. And you can see it didn't sound like a lot, like a cup of each, but you can see there is quite a bit in there. Just want to make sure it gets mixed really, really well. Break up that sauerkraut so you don't have little chunks. Alrighty, and now we're going to go ahead and add in, excuse me, 2 tablespoons of Thousand Island dressing. A 1 and a 2. And we'll use some of that to dip them in as well. I'll put some in a little bowl. And so let's go ahead and mix this all together. Smells so good. And I won't waste that leftover stuff. I will cook that and have it for lunch tomorrow. Or cook it, I'll heat it up and have it for lunch, I should say. Alrighty. I'm going to go ahead and put this aside. Oops. I have a little bit of water here, and I'm going to clean off my little cutting pad, and we're going to go ahead and start putting our egg rolls together. Alrighty, so I have my egg roll wrappers here. Oh, if I get grab the bag. We're going to lay 2 out at a time. Do I have 2? Yeah, you got 1 too many. Alrighty. I ended up doing 4. We're going to have them in a diamond shaped facing you. Now we're going to take a scoop of our mixture, put it in here. You don't want to overstuff because 1, they will not stay closed, and 2, they get a little soggy when you overstuff them. Alrighty, just like that. That's perfect. Let's do a little bit more here. Just a little bit. Just like that. Now we're going to take our little dish of water and we're just going to go around the edges. You can also do an egg wash if you want. We're just doing the edges of the wrap so to help us seal it a little more. And I have my air fryer pan over here on the left of me. And Benny's standing here. He must smell the corned beef because he is looking at me. Okay, I'm just going to push it in, do a half roll, push the side down, push it forward and pull that up, push it down, fold it, and then you just roll. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we're going to spray these with some olive oil. I will put that on the screen in the ingredients that I go over earlier in the video, just so you know to have that available, because that will help crisp up these egg rolls. We're going to go ahead and do the next one. As you can see, this is so easy. The only time consuming part is the long cooking time of the and it's not really consuming, it's just, you know, it takes a while to cook the corned beef, but no biggie. Pull it into you like that, tuck it over, do a small little roll, tuck that down, I fold that up and that over and in. And you just roll it. Just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and make up the rest of my egg rolls and then we'll come back. Alrighty, I'm on my last egg roll. I've got 10 out of this batch. And I did use a little bit more meat than normal. I used like 1.5 cups of meat. So that gave me 10, just so you know. Alrighty, let's do this. And I've gotten better at wrapping these too. I'm going to show you what I did. So I push it up, fold it over, and I push this in a little bit like that. I push this down, and then I fold this over and then fold that over. So I push it in, push it down, fold that over, and then fold it over again, and then I roll. And that seems to be the perfect way. Alrighty, so here is my tray. So let's get these in the air fryer. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and spray our egg rolls. And you can just put a little bit of oil on it, brush it on there. Alrighty. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the air fryer. We're gonna, if you need to preheat your air fryer, go ahead and do that. I'm gonna put it in on 375 for 5 minutes, and then we're going to take it out and flip it. Alrighty, so they've been in for 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and flip them over. And when you first put them in, you want to make sure that you have the seam side down so they seal nice and tight as well. Okay, and now we're just going to do a quick little spray. You don't want to drench them, just enough to get them crispy. And now we're going to put them back in. We're going to put them in for about 5 minutes and see if they're done. Check back in 5. Alrighty, let's see. Oh, look at that. Look how crispy they are. Oh my goodness. Yum. Alrighty, we're going to let these cool for a few minutes and then we'll do a taste test. Alright, my friends, so here we go. I cut this in half so you could see it. And as always, there'll be pictures at the end. We're going to go ahead and dip some into our Thousand Island dressing. Oh. Oh, it's hot when you get down there. 2 thumbs up. Oh my goodness, so delicious. Easy to make. Make this for a party, a quick appetizer, quick lunch, whatever you want. Absolutely perfect. So friends, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much. I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.